Okay, can okay guys, so we start okay, good. Okay, so today we will talk on probability chapter. Okay, bab kebangkalian. Okay, this chapter right guys, got one chapter related to this bab. Ada satu bab yang hubung kait dengan bab ni. There is one chapter that is related to probability. Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Bab mana dia ada kaitan dengan kebangkalian? Yes, very good. Operasi set. Set operation. Okay, salah satu konsep yang kamu kena betul-betul kuasai adalah operasi set. Okay, if you want to understand probability chapter, your operation of set must be good. Okay, kena kuasai bab tu. Saya boleh tunjuklah satu hubungan antara dua-dua bab ni kat sini. Okay, I will show a relationship. Okay, kamu belajar kan semua bab set. So hope you all ingat lah about the set. Okay, operation on set. So set, saya bagi gambaran simple saja kat kamu semua. Very simple picture. Okay, kotak macam ni. Okay, ini adalah simbol semesta. Okay, universal set. And then katakanlah label dia set A, set B. Okay, the labeling I give is set A, set B. Okay guys, katakanlah saya bagi kebarangkalian. Nombor dulu. Saya bagi tahu. A ni adalah orang yang suka makan apple. Okay, people who like to eat apple. Lepas tu, B ni adalah orang yang suka makan pisang, banana. Okay. So, saya kata jumlah orang yang suka makan pisang. Okay, the total number of people who like to eat banana is 12. Okay, 12. Okay, maksudnya guys, boleh tak saya letak 12 kat sini? Can I put number 12 here? Saya kata jumlah orang yang suka makan pisang tu 12. The total number of people who like to eat banana is 12. So, can I put the 12 there? Yes or no? Everyone here? 12 kah yang saya letak kat situ tu betul tak? Is it correct? Bukan. Salah. Okay. Remember guys. Bila saya kata bilangan yang suka makan pisang sahaja, kena ada perkataan sahaja kat belakang. The number of people who like to eat banana only. Only baru saya boleh letak 12 kat sini. Okay. Sebab kawasan tu adalah untuk mewakili jumlah orang yang suka pisang sahaja. Tapi saya kata jumlah orang yang suka pisang. Tak ada perkataan sahaja. Okay, there is no only word at the back. Itu sebab, so can anyone tell me, 12 tu tergolong di bawah mana? Where is 12 come under? Can anyone describe? Kat mana saya perlu letak 12 tu? N. Kat mana N? Saya tak faham. Bukan kat sini. Bukan. Wrong. 12 kat tengah-tengah maksudnya apple dan banana. Dua-dua orang suka. Okay. If in the middle means apple and banana both people like. But saya kata tak apa. Jumlah orang yang suka makan pisang. Okay. Total people who like to eat banana. So anyone? Do you have the idea? This should be 12. Okay. Yang saya loraikan biru ni. Okay. The blue color seluruh bulatan ni adalah 12. Can you guys understand? Boleh faham sebab saya kata jumlah yang suka makan pisang adalah 12. Okay, total number of people who like to eat banana is 12. Okay, sekarang saya bagi info kat kamu. The number of people that like to eat apple and banana is 6. Jumlah orang yang suka makan apple dan pisang adalah 6. Jadi 6 tu letakkan mana guys? Where should I put the 6? Yes, at the end. Okay, can anyone recall simbol yang kita guna untuk tulis operasi set ni macam mana? How do we write this set operation? Can anyone tell me? Untuk yang tengah-tengah, apa simbol dia? Sebab kebangkalian akan guna simbol tu juga. So anyone? Yes, the N. Okay, A, N, B. Okay, ini adalah simbol persilangan lah. Okay, intercept. Okay, so then guys, yang ni berapa nilai dia? Can anyone tell me? What is the value yang tanda soal? Yes, 6 juga. Sebab jumlah yang suka makan pisang, total number of people who like to eat banana 12. Okay, lepas tu kat tengah-tengah persilangan orang yang suka makan apple dan pisang adalah 6. The number of people who like to eat both apple and banana is 6. So remainder yang tinggal kat sini sepatutnya 6 yang suka makan pisang sahaja. Okay, mesti ada perkataan sahaja kat belakang. The number of people who like to eat banana only. Okay, that's why you get 6 over there. Okay, so now guys, saya test satu lagi kali. Sekarang saya kata jumlah orang yang suka makan apple. Total number of people who like to eat apple is 18. So can I put 18 here? Boleh tak saya letak 18 kat sini? No, very good. Okay, tak boleh. Okay, 18 tu tergolong di bawah set yang besar. Okay, this whole thing. Seluruh yang ni adalah 18. Maksudnya kat sini berapa guys? What should I fill in here? Apa nombor kat situ? Yes, 12. Okay, because 18 minus 6, 18 tolak 6, kamu dapat 12. So this is the set chapter. Ini adalah dalam bab set. Okay, sekarang saya nak tukar semua ni jadi satu kebarangkalian. I want to convert all of this to become probability. Sebab apa yang kita belajar sekarang kebarangkalian kan, bukan set. Okay, so now probability. Jadi guys, can anyone tell me, kebarangkalian orang yang suka makan apple dan banana adalah berapa? The probability of a person eating apple and banana is how much? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Dalam bentuk pecahan, in fraction form. Okay, kamu boleh permudah. Salah. Bukan 6/18. Cuba lagi. 1/5 ya. Apple and banana guys. Maksudnya kamu kena rujuk yang mana? Yes, 1/4, correct. Okay, 1/4. Okay, you can see over here. Saya lukis balik. Ini untuk yang menggambarkan kebarangkalian. This is for the probability. Okay, apple, banana. Tadi kat sini 6 kan? Okay, 6 orang, 6 people. Jumlah orang kat sini berapa guys? How many total people we have here? Berdasarkan set ni. What's the total amount of people? Jumlah orang. Anyone? Berapa orang kat sini? 24 kan? If you count and see, you should get 24 people. That's why kebarangkalian untuk bahagian ni sahaja, yang hijau ni, sekarang saya tanya yang ni. Okay, that's why is 6/24. Okay, 6 bahagi 24. Ataupun 1/4 pun boleh. Simplest form, bentuk termudah. Okay guys, can you understand now? Boleh faham? Kenapa kat sini saya perlu letak 1/4? Everyone here, are you okay? That's why kat tengah-tengah ni 1/4. Macam ni. Okay, kalau okay saya tanya lagi. Apa kebarangkalian untuk seseorang suka makan pisang sahaja? What is the probability of a person like to eat banana only? Apa jawapan kamu? Ada perkataan sahaja, there is a word only. Yes, very good. 1/4. Okay. Sebab bilangan orang yang suka makan pisang sahaja adalah 6. The number of people who like to eat banana only is 6. Jumlah orang tadi saya kata 24. Jadi 6 bahagi 24. Okay, ini adalah kebarangkalian mudah yang kamu belajar kat lower form. Okay, simple probability. Yang tak melibatkan gabungan lagi. No combination yet. Okay, itu sebab yang ni 1/4 juga. Okay, sekarang saya tanya pula, apa kebarangkalian seseorang suka makan pisang? What is the probability of a person like to eat banana? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Berdasarkan dua nilai ni yang saya ada. Based on these two value. Anyone? Yes, very good. 0.5. Okay, 0.5. Macam mana dapat 0.5? Yang ni mewakili kebarangkalian seseorang tu suka makan pisang. The whole circle, seluruh bulatan tu. Okay, that's why jumlah kebarangkalian dia adalah 2/4. 2/4 kamu boleh permudahkan jadi 1/2. 1/2. Ataupun 0.5 pun boleh lah. Okay, 0.5. Okay guys, boleh faham? Can you guys understand apa yang saya tengah bawa sekarang? Sekarang saya cuba convert dari set ni jadi kebarangkalian. Okay, dia hubung kait, is related. Okay, how about these guys? Sekarang saya tanya pasal ni pula. Apa kebarangkalian seseorang tu suka makan apple sahaja? What is the probability a person like to eat apple only? Can anyone tell me the answer? Only ya, ada perkataan sahaja. No lah, not 2/3. Yes, 0.5 juga. Correct. Okay guys. Bilangan orang yang suka makan apple sahaja, the number of people who love to eat apple only adalah 12. Jumlah orang yang kita ada sekarang adalah 24. Total people is 24. Jadi kebarangkalian dia 12 bahagi 24. Okay, iaitu 0.5 lah. 1/2. 1/2. Jadi kat sini 1/2. Alright. So itu cara saya dapat lah. Yang ni kalau nak refer balik 12/24. Yang ni 6/24. Yang ni pun 6/24. Okay guys, do you get it? So now, kalau saya tanya, apa kebarangkalian seseorang tu suka makan apple? What is the probability a person like to eat apple? What will be the answer? So anyone? Apa jawapan dia? 3/4, correct. So macam mana dapat 3/4? Apple ni mewakili yang ni dengan yang ni. The whole thing, seluruh bulatan tu, whole circle. Itu sebab 1/2 kena tambah dengan 1/4. Jadi 3/4 lah. So probability apple 3/4. Okay, lepas tu, probability banana, pisang, adalah 1/2. Okay guys, so sekarang, kalau kamu lihatlah dua nilai ni. Okay, tak apa. So saya nak tanya sekarang, adakah peristiwa ni saling berkait atau tak saling berkait? Is it dependent event or independent event? Anyone? Peristiwa bergantung atau tak bergantung? Kalau kamu lihatlah wajah ni. Anyone? Yes, definitely. Dependent. Okay, dia dependent. Okay, why dependent? Sebab kamu ada nilai kat sini. Kat tengah-tengah. Okay, there is a value in the middle. That's why dependent. Okay, maksudnya kebarangkalian satu peristiwa tu akan pengaruhi kebarangkalian satu peristiwa lain. The probability of one event will affect the probability of another event. Okay, itu sebab this one is dependent event. Okay, kalau saya tanya lah, saling eksklusif atau tak saling eksklusif? Is this mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive? Anyone? Saling eksklusif ataupun tak saling eksklusif? Kalau berdasarkan wajah tu. Anyone? Yes, tak saling eksklusif. Okay, very good. I write in English lah. Non-mutually exclusive. Kenapa guys? Can anyone give me a reason kenapa peristiwa ni tak saling eksklusif? Why is this a non-mutually exclusive event? Satu sebab. Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Yes, ada persilangan. Intersection. Guys, ingat. Kalau sesuatu peristiwa tu saling eksklusif, if it's mutually exclusive, kebarangkalian kat tengah-tengah tu kena kosong. Okay, this value, nilai ni, dia kena kosong. It must be a 0. Okay, maksudnya, set tu akan berpisah. It will be separated. There will be no connection. Tak ada apa-apa hubungan antara dua set tu. Okay, so this is another thing you will learn lah in probability. Salah satu lagi perkara. Maksudnya, secara am lah, dua-dua ni adalah perkara sama. Okay, they mean the same thing. Dua maksud yang sama. Kalau independent event, maksudnya saling eksklusif lah. Okay, so itu adalah hubungan dia, the relationship. Okay guys, can you understand up till now cara saya hubung kaitkan set ni dengan kebarangkalian? Ada dua wajah kat sini. Two diagram to understand. Okay, faham ah? So next one. Sekarang kita lihat nota sikit. Okay, so first thing that you all learn in this chapter, bab ni adalah peristiwa bergabung. Okay, combined events. Okay, sekarang kita dah tak sama dengan lower form dah. It's not the same as lower form. Sekarang kita gabung dua peristiwa. Serentak, simultaneous. Okay, so peristiwa bergabung, you must know the meaning lah. What is the meaning of combined event? Dia adalah gabungan dua atau lebih peristiwa. It's a combination of two or more events. Okay, and it results in one outcome. Satu kesudahan. Okay, so kamu boleh lihatlah contoh. Okay, gunting batu kertas. Ini permainan kan, you all know, rock paper scissors. Okay, so what is the possibility guys in rock paper scissors? Kamu boleh dapat scissors and rock. Okay, scissors and paper. Scissors also can. Okay, kamu ada banyak kebarangkalian lah. So ini maksudnya peristiwa bergabung. This is the meaning of combined event. Okay, ada kombinasi dia. Okay, it can be any combination you like lah. Okay, apa-apa pun boleh. Alright. So next one. Okay, so macam mana nak tahu jumlah kesudahan guys? How do we know the number of outcome? Konsep dia, kamu kena darab kat tengah-tengah. You must times in the middle. Okay, maksudnya jumlah kesudahan adalah sama dengan bilangan kesudahan A dan bilangan kesudahan B. Okay, A dan B ni mewakili dua peristiwa. A and B are two separate event. So the number of outcome is number of outcome in event A times the number of outcome in event B. Okay, that's why rumus dia, the general formula is NS equal NA times NB. Okay guys, times. Bila nampak simbol darab, adakah dia berlaku pada masa yang sama atau berbeza? Does it occur at the same time or different time? Bila nampak simbol darab? Anyone? When you got times, yes, same time. Okay, berlaku pada masa yang sama. Alright, same time. Okay, does anyone know this? Apa maksud simbol S kat sini? What is the meaning of S? Can anyone tell? Yes, sample space. Very good. Okay, dia adalah ruang sampel. Sample space. Very good. Sample space is basically the total option you have lah. Jumlah pilihan yang kamu ada. Nothing else. Okay, so it depends on the question actually. Apa yang soalan bagi. From there, always the first step guys, kamu kena tahu ruang sampel. You must identify the sample space first. In any probability question. Then only buat pengiraan for specific question. Okay. So this is the concept lah. Alright. So basically combined event dia sangat pendek lah. Okay, it's very short. Okay. So yeah, nothing much also. So next subtopic. Okay. Next subtopic is basically talking about dependent events and independent events. Okay, peristiwa bersandar and peristiwa tak bersandar. Okay guys, I give you a chance. Can anyone give me an example of dependent event? Siapa boleh bagi tahu kat saya satu contoh peristiwa bersandar? Anyone? Just a simple situation you can think. Daily life, kehidupan seharian, dependent events. Can you like describe a bit? Draw cards without replacing. Yes, correct. Very good. Okay guys, Haida give a good example. Okay, I want to tell a concept based on what Haida said. Okay guys, dalam soalan kamu you will always see this keyword. Without replacement. Tanpa penggantian. So guys, without replacement. Adakah kebarangkalian dia akan terpengaruh? Will the probability be affected if without replacement? Everyone here? Adakah kebarangkalian dia akan terkesan untuk sesuatu peristiwa yang akan datang? Yes. Okay, it will be affected because without replacement, tanpa pergantian. Jadi jumlah akan berkurang. The total will decrease. Total option decrease. Okay, jumlah pilihan kamu berkurang. Maksudnya probability affected. Okay, kebarangkalian dia akan terkesan. So that's why situasi macam ni, this type of situation will be called as dependent event. Okay, basically means one event depend on the outcome of the other event. Kejadian satu peristiwa adalah bergantung daripada kejadian sesuatu peristiwa yang lain. Okay, that's why it's dependent event. Peristiwa yang bersandar. Okay, so how about with replacement guys? Kalau ada penggantian, what type of event is it? If the condition is with replacement. Everyone here. Kalau ada penggantian, what will you have? Will the probability be affected? Adakah kebarangkalian akan terkesan if with replacement? These are all famous probability question guys. You must know. Soalan sangat famous. So anyone? Will it be affected? Should be not, right? Okay, because with replacement, probability is not affected. Okay, dia tak terkesan. Okay, kebarangkalian dia tak akan terkesan. kalau ada penggantian with replacement. Okay, why? Because total remain the same. Okay, jumlah masih sama. Total maintain same. Okay, kekal sama. Okay, so that's why kalau jumlah dia kekal sama, if the total is the same, this is called as independent event. Peristiwa tak bersandar. Okay, maksudnya kebangkalan dia akan tetap sahaja sampai bila-bila. Okay, the probability will always be constant until infinity lah. Okay, sampai tak terhingga. Okay, so this is the difference lah between dependent and independent. Keyword is this over here. Saya bubuh red. This is the keyword over here, the star. Okay, with replacement and without replacement. Always you will see this in the question. Selalu kamu akan nampak dengan penggantian and tak ada penggantian. Famous question. Alright. So yeah. So anyone can tell me a situation of independent event? Anyone? Sekarang saya nak contoh peristiwa tak bersandar. Independent. Beside Haida example lah of with replacing and without replacing. Any other thing you can think of? Independent event? Anyone can give suggestion? Based on this concept lah, I show over here. Anyone got idea? Independent events. You can think of any type of idea, no worries. As long as it's logic. Simple example, guys. I give you one example lah. If you all no idea. This one, guys, toss coin. What is the probability of getting head, guys? Bila lambung satu duit shilling, apa kebangkalian dapat kepala? Can anyone tell me? Probability of head? Everyone here? Don't tell me you don't know this. Jangan kata kamu tak tahu yang ni. Apa kebangkalian dapat satu kepala bila lambung duit shilling? Yes, 1/2. Okay, probability of head is 1/2. Guys, will the probability change? Adakah kebangkalian dia tiba-tiba akan ubah 1/3? Is it possible? Tak ada. Maksudnya dia tak bergantung lah. Tak bersandar. Independent event. Kalaulah situasi macam ni berlaku, misteri yang sangat besar lah. It's a big mystery. Tiba-tiba kamu ada satu lagi permukaan kat duit shilling kamu. Suddenly your coin have 3 surface. Head, tail and I don't know what more lah the other one. Okay, tak mungkin lah jadi macam tu. Itu sebab this is independent event. Okay, dia akan constant saja. Kamu lambung 100 kali. Let's say you throw the coin 100 times. Yang ni akan kuasa 100 lah. You power this 100 times. Okay, nilai dia tak akan berubah. Alright. So until here, are you guys clear? Boleh faham? For the dependent and the independent. So I hope everyone okay, So we proceed. Okay, next one. So they say that two events, A and B, will be independent events if the event A does not affect the outcome of event B. Okay, untuk yang B kamu boleh baca lah. Okay, so this is why it's called independent. The outcome of event A does not affect the outcome of event B. Just like tossing the coin. Lambung satu duit shilling. It won't affect the outcome. Okay, so you can see example here lah. Okay, they show you example for dependent and independent. Alright. So they say that tidak dipulangkan, without replacement. So you can see the keyword. Without replacement, you will get dependent event because total will decrease. Jumlah akan berkurang. Okay, tak kira lah apa situasi dia. No matter what the situation. As long you see the word tidak dipulangkan. Without replacement, direct link it to dependent event. Same goes for this one. Dipulangkan with replacement. Maksudnya kamu link dia dengan independent event. Tak bersandar. Okay. Sebab jumlah dia akan ubah. Okay. Jumlah tak akan berubah kalau dipulangkan. Okay. The total will not change if it's replaced. Alright. So next one. Okay. Now you must know the hukum pendaraban. Multiplication law and probability. Okay guys. Can anyone tell me? This symbol, you all learn inside, right? If this symbol, do we times or plus? Adakah kita darab atau tambah kalau ada simbol persilangan macam ni? Yes, always times, remember. Okay, simple example, you can draw out the set and understand. Set A, set B. Ini yang mewakili seluruh yang ni. Kawasan kat tengah-tengah. The middle region represent probability of A intercept B. Alright, that's why you have to times. Kena darab untuk dapat nilai tu. To get the value of the middle value is times in the middle. Okay, guys, remember this A, probability A, dia merujuk kepada seluruh bulatan A. Okay, it refers to the whole circle of A. Not this region only. The region I put in blue with the arrow is probability A sahaja. The probability of A only. Must have the word only. Here mereka tak bubuh perkataan sahaja. Maksudnya dia refer pada seluruh bulatan tu. Okay, same case for B. Maksudnya kamu darab seluruh kebarangkalian peristiwa A dengan seluruh kebarangkalian peristiwa B, you will get the intersection. Alright, the whole probability. Don't take the small one. Kena ambil nilai yang besar. Take the bigger value. Alright. So clear guys? Until here, so this is the times rule lah. I think should be no problem this one. Okay, we complete dependent and independent event also. Very short chapter guys. Sangat singkat. Okay, but you must try a lot of questions lah. So the next part is mutually exclusive and non-mutually exclusive. Okay. Before that, I give you a simple picture lah. Wait. Okay. How to understand this one? Kadang-kadang kamu confused. Yang mana saling eksklusif, yang mana saling tak eksklusif. Okay, you sometimes confuse which is mutually exclusive, which will be non-mutually exclusive. Okay, very simple. For English lah, mutually exclusive is like this. Okay, peristiwa saling eksklusif, gambaran dia macam ni. Okay guys, can anyone tell me exclusive means what in English? Kalau English kamu poor sangat, what is the meaning of exclusive? You just understand from the word. Kamu faham dari perkataan only. What is exclusive? Yeah, excluded, correct. Only, correct. That's why you can see tak ada connection. There is no hubungan antara dua-dua set ni. That's why exclusive. Mengapa mutual? Mengapa ada perkataan mutual, guys? Mutual means what in English? Yes, same. Okay, same. Same but is exclusive. Okay, means the same event lah, peristiwa yang sama, tapi when you pisah to two, it is not related. Okay, dia tak ada hubung kait. That's why it's mutually exclusive. Alright, simple relationship I can tell you all. I think you all will know this very well lah. In a relationship of boy and girl, this is the relationship lah. Mutually exclusive, no connection. When you first start to couple lah, okay, it is always separate. Baru selepas beberapa masa, kamu boleh gabung jadi satu pasangan. Okay, for a while you'll be separate. So this is called mutually exclusive. When you gabung, okay, when you combine, you have a common interest. Kamu ada satu, apa nak kata, satu hubungan lah. You have a relationship, then it become non-mutually exclusive. Okay, so non-mutually exclusive, kamu boleh teka lah how it will look like. Okay, it should have an intersection. Dia sepatutnya ada persilangan. A, B. Can you see guys? Dia adalah persilangan kat sini. There is an intersection. Okay, 3 set also apply. Sometimes you might have 3 peristiwa yang berlaku pada masa yang sama. Tapi I rasa tak sangat famous lah dalam SPM. SPM usually 2 occur at the same time. 3 saya rasa sangat jarang. Okay, 2 only. Only 2. Alright? So you need to know for this lah. Okay? So until now, anyone got question you want to ask me? Or everything is crystal clear? Kalau ada soalan boleh tanya atau if any doubt you have on what I say. Mungkin setengah-setengah kamu tak faham sangat anything? Or semua faham? Kalau tak ada komen, I'll just proceed to the next one. Faham? Okay. So now, we try to see the example of mutually exclusive and non-mutually exclusive. Okay, you can see the situation here. There is 9 ping pong balls labeled from 1 to 9. Okay, try to imagine lah. Probability guys, one thing you all must know. Your imagination must be very good. Okay, kamu kena bayangkan banyak benda. You need to imagine a lot of things. So make sure your imagination skill is good, okay, to master the chapter. Alright, so now they say a student take a ping pong ball randomly. Okay guys, this condition important. Dia kena bawa. Okay, it must be random. If it's not random, kamu tak boleh kira. Okay, you cannot count using the method that you learned before. Tak boleh kira. It must be random. Satu syarat. Okay, so then they say T is the event of getting a even number. So guys, 1 to 9. Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya berapa nombor genap kamu ada? How many even number you have? This one primary school also can answer. Sekolah rendah pun boleh jawab. How many even number? 1 to 9. If can, kamu list out lah. Okay, 4, correct. Okay, the 4 is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, semua ni adalah nombor genap. Okay, even number. Alright, and then U is a event to get a perfect square. Kuasa 2 sempurna. Alright, so can anyone list out to me 1 sampai 9? What is your perfect square that you have? Apa nombor kuasa 2 sempurna kamu ada? Dari 1 sampai 9. Yes, 149, correct. Okay, 1 square you get 1. 2 square you get 4. 3 square you get 9. Okay, ini cara kamu dapat nombor kuasa 2 sempurna. Okay, lepas tu ada satu lagi. There is one more. Can anyone tell factor of 9? Apa jawapan dia? Dari 1 sampai 9. What are your factors of 9? Okay, correct. Make sure this one all you don't get wrong. Jangan salah. Because this one basic maths dari lower form. Dia boleh relate dengan upper form. That's why basic must be strong. Okay. So now, antara semua yang ni lah. Can anyone tell? Antara T, U and V, mana ada kaitan? Which of the event T, U and V have relationship? Can you all comment? Mana kamu nampak ada similarity? Antara set mana dengan mana? Cuba lihat semua nombor. Yes, UV ada similarity, ada persamaan dari nombor 9 dan 1. Anything else? Ada set lagi yang kamu nampak persamaan? Any other sets? Yes, T and U. Very good. Okay, T and U, you also see a similarity. Number 4, it is similar. Okay, ada persamaan nombor 4. So this is how the probability can be combined. Gabungan kebarangkalian. Because you see, you have 2 events. Okay guys, I want to ask you. All these events lah, are they dependent or independent? Adakah mereka bersandar atau tak bersandar? Everyone here? You think it will be dependent or independent? Yeah, it should be independent. Okay guys, it won't be dependent one. Okay, you can see over here lah. Guys, one more thing if the question never mentioned to you with or without replacement, important kalau soalan tak bagi tahu kat kamu tanpa penggantian ataupun ada penggantian, kamu kena anggap sesuatu. You have to assume one thing. Okay, what is the assumption guys? Kalau soalan tak bagi tahu lah, which one will it be? If the question never tell is with or without replacement, means you have to assume that it is without replacement. Okay, kalau soalan never give you any info. Without replacement. Okay, so guys, without replacement, is it dependent or independent? Kalau tak ada penggantian, adakah peristiwa tu bersandar atau tak bersandar? Everyone here. Without replacement. Wait. Sorry guys. I make a mistake. I so confused. You have to assume, wait saya pun salah dah. Because very confusing the terms. You must assume that it is with replacement. Sorry dia ada penggantian. Okay, bila soalan tak bagi tahu, what is the condition? This one, syarat mereka tak bagi tahu. You have to assume the condition is, it is replaced back. Dia digantikan balik. Alright? So with replacement guys, dengan penggantian, adakah dia bersandar atau tak bersandar? Is it dependent or independent? Yeah, independent, tak bersandar. This is the concept. Okay, so you can see the example here. Kalau kamu nampak contoh yang ni lah, adakah soalan bagi tahu dia ganti balik ataupun dia tak ganti balik? Does the question mention do they replace it or don't replace? No, right? Mereka tak bagi tahu kat kamu. means kamu kena anggap it is width replacement. Okay, mereka akan letak balik bola pingpong selepas dipilih dalam balang tu. They will put back the pingpong ball after they take it out. Okay, to make things easier lah, untuk bagi kamu kira lebih senang. Okay, that's why we make this assumption. Width replacement. Okay guys, so until here, can understand? Boleh faham? I think should be no problem lah. If you remember the condition well, it should be okay. Alright, so next one. You can see over here lah guys. Peristiwa yang tu semua digambarkan kat sini. Okay, everything is shown over here. Okay, so you can see lah, T and V cannot happen at the same time. Mengapa T dan V tak boleh berlaku pada masa yang sama guys? Can anyone tell? Why T and V cannot happen same time? One reason? Based on the diagram lah. Yes, very good. Mutually exclusive. Tak intersect, correct. No intersection. Tak ada persilangan. Means it cannot happen at the same time lah. Dia tak boleh berlaku pada masa sama. Alright? And then you can see T and V is mutually exclusive, like you say lah. Okay? And then T and U, it is non-mutually exclusive. Mengapa tidak saling eksklusif? Because there is a common intersection kat sini. Ada persilangan 4. Okay? Means there is a common outcome. Okay? Kesudahan yang sempurna. Okay? So now they ask you, how about U and V guys? Is U and V mutually exclusive? What's your answer? Adakah U dan V itu adalah peristiwa saling eksklusif? What will be your answer? No. Okay, very good. Because you can see there is a connection. Ada persilangan 1 dan 9. There is a common number. Right? That's why it's non-mutually exclusive. Alright? So, this is the concept lah. And then another one, you can see over here is, let me see. This one, focus on over here. Okay? They say that A and B, it is mutually exclusive. Okay? If there is no intersection. Kalau tak ada persilangan, means A intercept B is, what is this symbol lah guys? Can anyone remind me? Symbol yang ni? What's the name of this symbol? We use this in lower form set. Yes, empty set, set kosong. Empty set ataupun set kosong maksudnya tak ada elemen kat situ lah. There is no common intersection. Okay, that's why A intercept B is set kosong. Okay, in other words, it means it's mutually exclusive. It's mutually exclusive event. Remember the circle I draw, it is separate. Okay, that's why mutually exclusive. Alright, so this is the concept you must know here as well. Okay, so now we come into the operation. Okay, the operation for probability of dependent and independent event. Okay, so this is some rule lah you must know. Okay, you can focus on number 2. Okay, so you can see over here, probability atau, okay, first thing. Bila nampak perkataan atau guys, what is the symbol set yang kamu guna when you see the word or? Is it union or intercept? Before that, union or intercept? When you have the word or. Union. Okay, intercept is untuk and, dan. Okay, kalau simbol kesatuan maksudnya atau. Okay, so that's why you must plus in the middle. Kamu kena tambah bila ada simbol kesatuan. Okay, so guys, why must I minus this one? Can anyone explain? Because I thought I just take A plus B direct. Mengapa kena tolak dengan persilangan dia? Why must I minus the intersection? Can anyone tell me one reason that you all can think of? Why must minus? Anyone? You must understand the formula guys. Jangan hafal formula tu bulat-bulat. Yes, included in the total. Yes, so that you don't overcount. Kamu tak terlebih kira. Okay, very simple. I can show you over here. Okay, simple example only. A and B. Okay, saya nak cari kebarangkalian A union B. Okay, probability A tambah B kan? If union, symbol is tambah. Am I right? Kesatuan punya simbol tambah. Okay, mengapa jawapan dia bukan macam ni saja? Why is the answer not like this? I can show you from here. Probability of A refer to this whole thing. Am I right guys? Kebarangkalian A itu mewakili seluruh bulatan. Maksudnya dia termasuk kebarangkalian bahagian ni juga. It is included the red color region. And then you want to plus the probability of B. Kamu nak tambah kebarangkalian B kamu. Kebarangkalian B is this circle. The probability of B is also the larger circle. So guys, probability of B also share this value. Dia berkongsi nilai yang sama dengan kebarangkalian bagi A. So guys, can you see it overlap twice already? Dia dah silang 2 kali. Maksudnya kebarangkalian ni, kalau guna formula ni sahaja, kamu dah overestimate the value. Okay, kamu dah terlebih jangka nilai sebenar dia. That's why you must minus 1 kali persilangan dia. You must minus 1 time the intersection. Alright, so that you don't get an overly estimated probability. You will get the exact value. Okay, because A union B represent what region, guys? Can anyone tell me? Kalau A union B 1, 2, 3, apa yang saya kenal lorek kalau operasi set macam ni? Can anyone tell me the number? Union. Kesatuan. Jadi kalau saya label 1, 2, 3, mana saya kenal lorek? Only 1, 3 ya? Everything lah. Ya, semua. Okay, that's why I must minus this one 1 kali. Sebab tadi saya terangkan, just now I said there is overlap twice. A punya kebarangkalian, A probability also share this one. B punya kebarangkalian, B probability also share this one. You got 2 times, 2 kali kat sini. Okay, that's why we must minus off 1 kali over here. So that you just count 1 only. Kamu kira satu kebarangkalian yang dua-dua mereka kongsi. The both of the probability they share in the middle, the N, this one is probability A intercept B. Am I right? That's why we do this one. To just count 1 time, 1 kali saja. Okay guys, so now if you go back here, can you understand why the formula is like this? Boleh faham kenapa rumus dia macam ni? Especially this part. Okay, kamu kena masukkan yang ni. Don't forget that part. Okay guys, until here clear or not? Or any question you have? If all clear, I just continue to talk only. I won't stop. Okay. So next one. They say A and C, B and C is a mutually exclusive event. Okay, combined event lah. Okay. So they say that probability A intercept C is 0. I think you can understand lah. Because mutually exclusive mean it is 2 circles separate. Maksudnya tak ada apa-apa hubungan. There is no connection in the middle. That's why the probability is 0. Okay, and then B and C is also mutually exclusive. Means B also will be here. So there is no connection between B and C. Tak ada apa-apa hubungan B dengan C. That's why B intercept C is also 0. Alright, so then probability of A or C. Okay, so guys, kalau atau so guys, mengapa rumus dia probability A tambah probability C? Can anyone explain? Mengapa rumus dia bukan macam ni? Kan saya fikir dia kena sama, kan it should be the same, right? If or. Why they don't have this one? Mengapa tak ada kat sini? For nombor B. Can anyone explain? Why is it probability A plus C only? Don't have probability A intercept C. Mengapa tak ada yang tu? Mana simbol persilangan tu pergi? Anyone know? What's the reason? Yes, very good. You can see over here guys, in the diagram I draw. Is there any intersection between A and C guys? Adakah ada apa-apa persilangan antara set A dan C? Tak ada kan? Maksudnya, kamu boleh tulis yang ni. You can write this, no problem. Tapi nilai dia kosong lah. The value is 0. That's why the question don't write. Mereka cakap B tambah C saja. Kalau nak, boleh tulis tolak kosong lah. But it's the same meaning. Okay, same value only. Alright. So basically, kamu masih boleh guna rumus ni lah. Tapi kamu modify ikut soalan. Berdasarkan peristiwa. Based on the event they give. Okay. So next one. Okay, this one done. Okay, so guys, this one is the important part you must remember. This whole thing. Okay, I think